If you're tired of feeling that something is wrong with your intestinal health, this video is for you. Did you know that the signs of colon cancer are often ignored until it's too late? What if I told you that there are 8 clear signs that could indicate a serious problem? Imagine the peace of mind of being able to recognize these signs early and act in time to save your life. If you're at a loss as to which signs to look out for or worried about your gut health, this video will clear everything up. Today, I'm going to reveal the 8 signs of colon cancer that you should never ignore. Recognizing these symptoms early can make all the difference to your health. Hey, guys. I'm Maria Caroline, from the Space of Your Health channel, and I'm here to share with you the best content about health and well-being. With passion and knowledge, let's explore together ways to improve our quality of life. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, don't waste any time. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on any valuable tips for improving your health and quality of life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can detect colon cancer early and save your life. You'll discover the crucial signs that can indicate a serious health problem. Pay attention because I've studied this topic in depth and I'm here to help you without you having to go through the same problems. The truth is that many people ignore these signs because they follow the traditional path of ignorance and end up regretting it. Based on studies and up-to-date information, I'm going to show you a practical method for recognizing these signs before it's too late. I'm here to make sure you have the knowledge you need to look after your gut health effectively. In this video, I'll start by covering the most common symptoms of colon cancer. After that, we'll discuss a disease that is often confused with colon cancer, so that you know how to tell them apart. 1. Changes in bowel habits. Changes in bowel habits can be indicative of various conditions, but when these changes are persistent and have no obvious explanation, such as diet or stress, they can be a sign of colon cancer. The tumor can cause a partial obstruction, which alters the movement of the stool. This can result in alternating episodes of diarrhea and constipation. In some cases, there may be a feeling of urgency to evacuate, but with little or no elimination of feces. 2. Blood in the feces. Blood in the feces can be visible to the naked eye or detected in fecal occult blood tests. Bright red blood usually suggests a source of bleeding closer to the anus, such as the lower colon or rectum. Dark blood or black feces, melena, indicate that the blood is coming from an upper part of the gastrointestinal tract, such as the ascending colon. This bleeding may be intermittent and may not be visible with every bowel movement, but it is still a serious sign that should be investigated. 3. Persistent abdominal pain. Persistent abdominal pain can be caused by various factors related to colon cancer. A tumor can cause inflammation and partial obstruction, resulting in continuous cramps and discomfort. The location of the pain can vary depending on the location of the tumor in the colon. The pain can be vague and difficult to localize, or it can be more intense and localized if there is a significant obstruction or involvement of other abdominal structures. For sensation of incomplete evacuation, this sensation can be caused by a tumor taking up space in the rectum or colon, preventing the complete elimination of feces. The presence of the tumor can create a feeling of pressure or obstruction, leading to the sensation of incomplete evacuation. This symptom may be accompanied by a frequent need to evacuate, but with little or no relief after evacuation. 5. Weakness or fatigue. Weakness and fatigue can be indirect symptoms of colon cancer. Chronic blood loss through the gastrointestinal tract can lead to iron deficiency anemia, which reduces the blood's ability to carry oxygen. This can result in extreme tiredness, lack of energy, and general weakness. In addition, the body may be using more energy to fight the disease, contributing to the feeling of fatigue. 6. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is a worrying sign because it can indicate that the body is using more energy to fight the cancer or that the tumor is affecting the absorption of nutrients. Colon tumors can release substances that increase the body's basal metabolism, leading to weight loss. In addition, the presence of a tumor can cause a decrease in appetite or hinder proper digestion and absorption of food. 7. Narrow stools. Narrow stools can be a sign that there is a partial obstruction in the intestine. A tumor in the colon can reduce the diameter of the intestinal lumen, resulting in thinner stools than normal. This change can be gradual and is often accompanied by other symptoms such as abdominal pain and altered bowel habits. 8. Iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia can occur due to chronic blood loss in the intestine caused by a bleeding tumor. This blood loss can be slow and continuous, often not noticeable without specific tests. Anemia results in a reduction in the amount of hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in the blood, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, paleness, and shortness of breath. In some cases, anemia can be the first visible sign of colon cancer. Before we explore the disease that is often mistaken for colon cancer, I'd like to remind you, if this content is useful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. These small actions help us to continue sharing essential information like this. Now let's talk about a condition that is often confused with colon cancer: hemorrhoids. The symptom that most causes confusion between these two conditions is anal bleeding. However, while hemorrhoids usually cause bright red bleeding during or after bowel movements, bleeding caused by colorectal cancer can be darker or mixed in the stool. To continue learning about intestinal health and colon cancer prevention, watch my video on colon cancer-killing foods. The link is in the description below. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next health tips, and leave a like if this video helped you better understand the signs of colon cancer. If you've ever faced worrying bowel health symptoms, share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to take better care of their health.